Basic Guidelines for Practicing Yoga, Swami Shivananda Saraswati. Yoga is a practical system for self-cultivation. It's a precise science aimed at the harmonious development of the body, mind, and soul. Yoga systematically achieves perfection through the control of various aspects of human nature, both physical and mental. Through yoga, you can gain increased energy, vitality, longevity, and a higher level of health. Practicing yoga helps regulate emotions and passions, leading to tranquility, stillness, and immense concentration. Yoga is a continuous process of transformation. The path of yoga begins inwardly, at the heart. Inner perfection happens gradually. As yoga progresses, the ego gradually transforms into spirit. Practitioners become free from the suppression of the lower mind, achieving unity with the Absolute. Take one step at a time on the rungs of the yoga ladder. Set up a systematic and regular practice program. Be serious in your practice. When you're ready, you'll enter the door to wisdom. Asanas, the third limb of Ashtanga Yoga, mean assuming a firm and comfortable posture, facilitating the union of the individual soul with the Supreme Soul. The relationship between the body and mind is so perfect and subtle that physical practice will transform the mind. Don't mistake yoga asanas, discovered by ancient Indian sages, for mere physical exercises. There's something spiritual and divine at the core of these practices, awakening the dormant Kundalini Shakti and helping the yogi to fully establish themselves in meditation and eventually experience cosmic consciousness. When you firmly establish an asana, you won't feel the body. When you don't feel the body, opposites won't affect you. Free from pairs of opposites like heat and cold, joy and pain, you can move to the next higher stage, pranayama, and practice with a ripple-free mind. Choose a posture that's easy, comfortable, and can be maintained for long periods, like 3 hours. Here are some basic guidelines for practicing asanas. First, practice asanas in the morning, not in the evening. The freshness and pleasant feeling in the morning are not the same in the evening. You can do muscle exercises in the evening if you wish. Second, never feel depressed or tired while or before doing asanas. The energy expended in asanas should not strain your system. Third, remember this if you want to enjoy the maximum benefits of your practice. Fourth, you don't need to do an elaborate course daily, but do what you can, little by little, regularly and systematically. Become a master of such practice. Fifth, practice all yoga asanas on an empty stomach. However, drinking some milk, light tea, or coffee before practice is not harmful. Asana practice is extremely important. Even though it may seem hard and fussy initially, once you develop the habit of sitting in one posture for a considerable time, you will feel a special thrill and joy in that posture and won't want to change it in any case. According to Patanjali, asanas are steady and comfortable. He didn't impose any special stress on posture or breathing. If the aim is meditation, practice Padmasana or Siddhasana. For high-level health, vigor, strength, vitality, and brahmacharya, practice various other postures and bandhas.